I'm Dentist Tikka, and today I reveal the ultimate guide to oral hygiene in 2025. These tips are super simple, they're dentist approved, and will transform your dental health forever. Stick with me to the end, because I'll share some bonus tips that will connect everything together for a cavity-free life. So, if you're ready to take control of your oral health, let's jump in. Why oral care matters. Good oral hygiene is about more than just clean teeth. It's about protecting your gums, preventing bad breath, and avoiding painful cavities. Studies show that proper oral care can even lower your risk of serious health problems like heart disease. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 3 essential steps and some bonus tips to help you master oral care like a pro. Plus, I'll bust some common myths that could be sabotaging your routine. Step 1. Brushing properly. Let's start with brushing, the foundation of oral hygiene. Did you know most people brush too quickly or with the wrong technique? Here's how to brush like a dentist recommends. Brush for at least 2 minutes twice a day. Use a timer or song if needed. Choose a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride strengthens your enamel, making your teeth more resistant to cavities. Hold the toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Use gentle, circular motions, not side-to-side scrubbing. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Don't brush too hard. This can damage your gums and wear down your enamel. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months or sooner if the bristles are frayed. If you want to uncover the biggest brushing mistakes people make and how to fix them for healthier teeth, click right here to watch my video on the topic, and your teeth will thank you for it. Now, let's move on to step number 2. Flossing done right. Brushing is great, but it only cleans about 60% of your teeth. That's where flossing comes in. It removes plaque and food particles between your teeth and under your gums. Here's how to floss effectively. Take about 18 inches of floss and wind most of it around your middle fingers. Slide the floss gently between your teeth, making a C shape to wrap around each tooth. Move the floss up and down to clean under your gum line. Alternatives for flossing. Not a fan of floss? Try interdental brushes or water flosser. These tools are just as effective and can be easier to use for some people. Some people think flossing can create gaps between your teeth, but this is absolutely false. Flossing actually keeps your gums healthy, which prevents actual gaps from forming. Step 3. Choosing the right mouthwash. The third step is rinsing. But not all mouthwashes are created equal. Many popular brands contain alcohol, which can dry out your mouth and lead to bad breath. Instead, choose an alcohol-free fluoride rinse for extra cavity protection. When to use mouthwash? After brushing and flossing to rinse away leftover debris. Midday, especially if you've had sugary snacks or drinks. Think of mouthwash as the final step in your oral hygiene routine. It's a good plus, but not a replacement for brushing or flossing. Bonus tips for advanced oral hygiene. Want to go the extra mile? These bonus tips will take your oral health to the next level. Stay hydrated. Drinking water helps wash away food particles and keeps your mouth's pH balanced. This prevents cavities and erosion. Limit sugary snacks. Sugar feeds bacteria that cause cavities. If you indulge, rinse your mouth or chew sugar-free gum afterward. Use a tongue scraper. Cleaning your tongue removes bacteria that cause bad breath. Visit your dentist regularly. Aim for checkups and cleanings every 6 months, or at least once a year. Some people think white teeth are always healthy teeth, but that's not true. Teeth can be white and still have cavities or gum disease. Focus on overall health, not just appearance. There you have it. The ultimate guide to oral hygiene in 2025. By following these steps and tips, you're not just protecting your teeth, you're investing in your overall health. But don't stop here. To complete your oral care routine, check out my video on how to choose the right toothpaste for your teeth. It will help you to make the best choice for your specific needs. Click here and I'll see you there. Let's keep your smile healthy for life.